Here we have a gorgeous 2008 Ford Econoline E250 handicap wheelchair conversion van with a lowered floor, Braun Van Gator lift, VMI Tuscany conversion, two-tone leather, flip-down TV, 52,000 original miles, southern van, rust-free, smoke-free, gorgeous, clean Carfax, awesome van, low mileage. Another beautiful van, runs and drives perfect, chrome wheels, beautiful Michelin LTX tires. This is beautiful setup. It's got a wireless wheelchair lift, rear power folding electric bench seat bed, power doors, Q-straight tie downs. Gorgeous van. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help. This is a beautiful 2008 Ford E250 VMI Tuscany conversion. 52,000 original miles, laser straight down the sides, no rust, clean Carfax, beautiful van. Michelin LTX tires, about 50% tread left. Got ultra chrome wheels. It's a beautiful van. Wood grain inside, gorgeous two-tone leather interior. Got a few marks on the seats, but nothing major. It's got the extended column, makes it really easy to drive this piece. 51,797 miles. That could change from demonstration purposes. It does have a backup camera. It does have Bluetooth. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Wheelchair lift works great. Has a fold down TV, DVD. Power rear folding bed, lowered floor, hard floor, Q-straight tie downs, power seats, heated seats. This thing's fully loaded, decked out, window shades. Thing is beautiful. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Gorgeous two-tone. You got your flip down TV, DVD, gorgeous LED lighting. Full power everything. You can see I'm folding the bed. It does recline and move forward and backward. This van's all there, needs nothing at all. The window shades are there. It's got a little dent in the back door from where the spare tire is, but that's normal for these vans. It is power electric doors. Braun lift, I'll show you how everything works. Gorgeous door panels. It's got a hard floor mat here. Q-straight tie downs. Awesome setup, beautiful, beautiful van. Give us a call. Got your TV, DVD, Bluetooth, 5.4 liter V8. Give us a call, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Just a beautiful, beautiful van. Needs nothing at all. It's ready to go. Heated seats, backup camera, everything you want in one of these vans. Wireless wheelchair lift system. I'm using the handheld remote. There is also a push button at the steering wheel to work everything. As you can see, everything is working the way it's supposed to. We do our best to try and check all these vans and make sure everything is fully functioning and operable. If the lifts need service, we service them. Look how laser straight this van is. It's beautiful. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns. We have been in business 44 years. We ship vans all over the world. We take anything in trade. If there's anything you have a question about, just give us a call. We are happy to help try to clear it up for you. If we miss something, we do sometimes in these videos try to point out everything we can. This van is pretty near flawless. Few little cosmetics, but from normal wear and tear, nothing that jumps out. Overall, it's excellent condition inside and out, rust free, no accidents. We try to specialize in these vans. Give us a call anytime. 954-561-2499, SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. We're available by text, by phone call. We can ship, we take trades, we can pick you up at the airport. Don't hesitate to call us at any time. We're happy to help. This is what we do. Thank you very much. 954-561-2499. Call or text Jeff or Ken. SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net.